In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put Salesforce in dark mode. If you spend a lot of time in Salesforce, especially later in the day or in low light environments, switching to dark mode can make the interface easier on your eyes and reduce screen glare. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the simple steps to turn on dark mode using the built-in color mode setting. First, start by logging into your Salesforce account as you normally would. You can do this in any modern web browser. Once you're logged in and the main Salesforce homepage has loaded, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll see your profile icon. This might be a small circle with your initials, or a custom image if you've uploaded one. Click on that profile icon to open a drop-down menu. This menu is where Salesforce keeps a number of personal options and settings that are specific to your user account. Take a moment to look through the list so you're familiar with what's available, but for now, we're interested in a section called Color Mode Beta. Because it's labeled as beta, that means Salesforce is still refining this feature. So the wording or placement might change slightly over time, but the process should remain very similar. Under the Color Mode Beta label, you'll see different options for how Salesforce is displayed. By default, most users will be on the standard light mode. To enable dark mode, simply select the option labeled dark. You don't need to save anything or confirm in a separate window. As soon as you click dark, Salesforce will apply the new theme across your interface. Once you make this change, your Salesforce will automatically switch to dark mode. You should notice the background becoming much darker, with text and icons adjusting to remain clear and readable. Navigation bars, panels, and record pages will all adopt the darker color scheme. This can reduce the overall brightness of the screen and often feels more comfortable during extended work sessions. If at any point you decide you prefer the original look, you can follow the exact same steps to return to the drop-down under your profile icon and switch back to light mode. Since it's a quick toggle, you can easily move between modes throughout the day depending on your environment. And that's all you need to do to put Salesforce in dark mode.